Faraday Future is rolling out its robots, having just delivered one of its master robots and piloted its Aegis robot to new PBB Auto Inc., a Los Angeles-based automotive business that previously entered into a B2B agreement with FF. That agreement included a non-refundable deposit and a non-binding pre-order for 600 units of its upcoming FX Super 1 MPV. Alongside its commercial activities, Faraday Future also focused on education through an interactive STEM event with Linwood Unified School District in California. The event, part of a STEM conference, featured hands-on demonstrations with a humanoid robot, a robotic dog, and the company's vehicle technology. Students were able to directly interact with the systems, while a company executive delivered a keynote presentation on AI, robotics, and future careers in STEM. FF observed that interactive, hands-on experiences generated significantly higher engagement compared to traditional presentations, with students showing strong curiosity and enthusiasm for robotics and AI technologies. Based on this success, Faraday is exploring the development of a scalable STEM outreach program that could include structured curriculum elements, such as introductory robotics and AI education, opening up the possibility of FF's robots being used as tools for training, research assistance, and experiential learning in addition to their role in commercial settings. In educational environments, the robots could support experimentation, data collection, and interactive instruction for students and educators.